My name is Rob Beischlein, and I'm an art professor at Whatcom Community College. I just want to take a chance to encourage you to look at the art classes. We have a wide range of offerings from drawing classes to design classes, even ceramics and printmaking. We try to make those classes as accessible as possible by providing a materials kit that's available for pickup at the bookstore using their curbside pickup. And we can even mail you a packet if you are out of town or out of country, depending on the class. With those materials, you'll work at home guided by professors' presentations and instructions and videos to make your own projects. For example, in my ceramics class, we made handmade stamps and a coiled and pinched cup with a stamped surface for our first project. In drawing classes, you'll learn the core drawing techniques, and in my sculpture class, we use recycled materials that you could find at home to make things like this planar sculpture out of recycled materials. In addition to the built projects, you will engage in online discussions and critiques. And this will be a chance for you to get feedback on your own work, but also to practice your vocabulary and skills and give your classmates feedback. The discussions are also a place to reflect on contemporary art practices and contemporary artists, as well as historical inspirations. I hope to see you online in an art class at Whatcom Community College.